Hello YouTube, Sergi's here. I have one more app for you, which is called Cash Run Earn Money. That is another app by Alpha Network. Here you go, the same thing we saw before. And that is how the app looks like. Coins counter and energy at the top, and some options to level up the game. So let's play. All you have to do is touch the screen and hold your finger and move it to sides to avoid obstacles in trying to collect as much money as possible. Also you have a window with a multiplier. And that is the ladder with the multiplier. He goes up as long as he has money behind the back. Fancy dance. Anyway, once you complete the level, there is no way to skip the ad to collect all the money and coins, so you have to watch it. How these coins are calculated, that is a mystery. Let's check this out. What's gonna happen if you hit the obstacles? Minus 200, minus 50, minus 200, minus 100, minus 100. Not too bad. At the bottom you see two options, which are stack and income. The money you collect through levels you can spend on these improvements to collect more money. But as to me, they don't increase much. Actually, let's check if the cash out works. So I have 158,344 points, which equals to 14 cents. Submitting my PayPal account, and here we go. I have 14 cents. I'm rich. Well, overall this game doesn't make any sense. I cannot say I enjoyed playing this, and the amount of money is crazy low. So it's up to you, but I would avoid this app.